हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू सेक्रेटरी टॉक सीजन 2 एपिसोड 2। मैं हूं आपका फेवरेट रोट्रैक्टर धवल गोयल, सेक्रेटरी 21-22 फॉर रोट्रैक्ट क्लब ऑफ एसके सोमैया कॉलेज। आपका स्वागत है सेक्रेटरी टॉक्स में। आई होप यू ऑल हैव योर चीज कैरमल पॉपकॉर्न रेडी फॉर टुडेज सेशन।
मैं हूँ
Yes, thank you so much for
रोट्रैक्टर
having me.
थैंक यू।
मैं हूँ रोट्रैक्टर हर्षी मसरानी एंड टुडे वी हैव विद अस सेलिब्रिटीज जिसने रोट्रैक्ट बॉक्स ऑफिस को तोड़ दिया है।
एंड मैं हूँ रोट्रैक्टर युक्ता मेहंदीनगर। प्लीज स्वागत कीजिए द ऑसम बॉस वुमन का रोट्रैक्टर पलक आता, द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ रोट्रैक्ट क्लब ऑफ मुंबई सॉल सिटी एंड जॉइंट सेक्रेटरीज रोट्रैक्टर ही संघवी एंड हीना गड़ा।
Thank you. That was so sweet.
सो अभी तुम लोग को अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ बॉलीवुड कैरेक्टर।
Okay.
सो दिस थोड़ा
Um,
हाँ
I think as in I have to introduce myself by naming a character.
या लाइक आई
इन
रिजेंबल
अ
दिस
वे
कैरेक्टर।
बेसिकली। हाँ,
I think I'm like a combo of Geet from Jab We Met who talks a lot and Naina from YGHT who's also like pretty studious and serious about what she has to do. So I think yeah, I'm a combo of these two characters.
मुझे तो कोई कैरेक्टर ऐसा ओके आई कैन से आई एम लाइक आलिया भट्ट फ्रॉम हमटी शर्मा की दुल्हनिया. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर हर नेम नाउ बट आई एम टोटली एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट फुल और I like to like I can socialize with anyone.
I think I resemble myself with Geet from Jab We Met because the way she says कि मुझे आज कुछ खुद के मन से करना है, मतलब अगर मैं किसी के बोलने पे रुक गई तो मुझे उसको नेक्स्ट डे ब्लेम नहीं करना है कि इसने मुझे बोला इसलिए मैंने वो चीज नहीं की।
Let's start with the question and answer session. So, first question is for you, Palak. What made you apply for the position of secretary? Were you nervous? Like, what were the thoughts running on your mind?
So yeah, I was actually nervous, for applying for this post because, there were thoughts, how will I manage all the things together? But at the end of the day, there's this saying, right? You decide one day or day one. So that thing actually made me apply for this post. We also had a project in our club in the previous year that gave me an experience about what team secretariat is, the role of a secretary, a joint secretary. So that the predecessors inspired me that I can, do this. So I thought that, let's give it a try and just apply for it because at the end of the day, I'm going to learn a lot of things. So yeah, that made me apply for this post.
So the next question is for Heed. Like, what were your feelings when you were first appointed as the joint secretary, and how did you feel about your Ranja, that is Hina, as your partner?
Okay, so my feelings when I became the joint secretary were pretty mixed, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. मतलब I was pretty nervous. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. मैंने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के लिए भी अप्लाई किया था. मैंने वी हैड 3 ऑप्शंस. आई हैड अप्लाइड फॉर ऑल 3, मतलब वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी एंड आई हैड अप्लाइड फॉर SA. So SA तो doesn't match my attitude only because I am very sweet and kind. So I cannot shout at anyone. But then when जब पता चला that I am the joint secretary, I was really nervous first and also happy that I was happy. The only reason being because Palak was my secretary. So that was my feeling. And yeah, for Hina, when I got to know I have a a co-joint secretary, Hina and I resonate a lot. So our entire behavior, attitude, we match a lot. Like we are sweet, simple, और जब गुस्सा आया तो ऐसा भड़क भी सकते हैं वैसे टाइप से. So we resonate a lot, and I know that whenever if I'm not able to do anything, I have her back. So I'm really happy that I have Hina as my co-joint secretary.
The next question is for you, Hina. So what's that one work mantra that you as a secretary believe in? So तुम तीनों क्या believe करते हो mantra में while you work?
So I would like to say कि the best way to get something done is to begin. So once we start doing it, I am very sure the three of us will complete it. Whatever it is, I think we did it today only. So yeah, that's what we three believe in.
Next question is for you here. What's your favorite thing to do together as a secretariat? Like, what do you enjoy doing the most?
Okay, can I be very honest? So, because we three gossip a lot, like one-to-one gossip. So, our favorite thing to do is gossip. We can gossip for 2 hours straight. Even though projects नहीं है, लोग कुछ कर नहीं रहे, पर हमारे पास gossip
Okay, this
रहेगा.
question is for Hina. Like, what are the challenges you have faced so far as a secretariat?
Okay. Oh my God. Touch wood. Being with these two, I am very sure कि मुझे आगे तक कोई challenges नहीं आएंगे. And अभी तक भी we haven't faced anything as a challenge. Like nothing like that. I mean, yeah, we have stressed out a lot while doing things, but I think we manage it very well. एक दूसरे का support लेके 2-2 घंटे calls पे बैठ के रात को meetings करके I think we have done everything.
Last questions for you, Palak. What's your favorite part about working with Hina and Keir? As in, also adding to this, are there any new initiative as you as a secretary have wished to start or are going to?
Okay, so answering the first part of the question, I am blessed. I'm not even kidding. If I don't know what I would have done without these two. And as he mentioned, yes, we gossip a lot. As in, कभी कभी ऐसे होता होगा कि रात को कुछ 2:30 हुआ है, हम Zoom call पे and we won't even realize कि चलो अभी सोने भी जाना है. मतलब बातें बहुत हो गई. And it's not just Rotract work. Outside Rotract also, the three of us gel pretty well. So that is one thing that, see, because for work you need to have that bond also. It can't just be a very very professional bond, but also at the same time we make sure that while we are working our focus is on work and nothing, no time pass, no masti वैसा. But जब काम नहीं है तो हम एकदम chilled भी है. So that is one thing that is the best, because if the bond is there you can work easily with each other. So that, and answering the second part, so we also have this initiative called Sekki Seek, which our predecessors have started. So this year also we want to take that legacy ahead, but we want to do something new, something unique to it. So yeah, that will be one team secretariat initiative that we are looking forward to.
So can you tell us something more about this Sekki Seek?
So Sekki Seek is basically, what experience the chairperson or the members who attended a particular project, or the OC members, whatever they experienced in the project, or what, were their feedbacks, we make that aware to all the other people, so that those who missed out on attending that project can get a gist, or can, sort of know कि अरे मुझे भी ये project attend करना चाहिए था यार, इसमें ये हुआ, उसमें वो हुआ. So we as team secretariat let everyone know what the project was through a personal touch of the members who explain how was their experience in it.
अभी हम लोग next last part of the session, that is the game time. उसमें हम लोग आज के दिन पे खेलने वाले हैं Rotract charades. It's like dumb charades but a Rotract edition. So this will be regarding the Rotract initiatives from districts end. So ज़्यादा difficult नहीं होगा, so तुम सबको easily आ जाएगा. First word is for you, Palak. मैं अभी वो तेरे को भेज देता हूँ.
Video games. Online games. RUOT. RUOT.
That's right. It was RUOT.
Very simple.
Outfit, color. Red. No, wait. What? Jeevan Dan. Oh, okay. Blood donation, Jeevan Dan.
गॉड वो बोली काफी इजी है तो उसके बाद में उसने बहुत कुछ बोला आउटफिट ये कौन सा आउटफिट था नेक्स्ट email I will send you just a second check
I expected this one. Okay.
Color? Red. Red.
नेक्स्ट वन है धवल के लिए. धवल प्लीज.
ओके, ये मेरे को आइडिया नहीं था बट ठीक है.
हाँ हाँ आराम से. ये क्या है?
क्या? नहीं समझा.
Jesus,
Jesus.
God, Christ, speaking.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Rotract.
कौन सा पलक?
Orator. I'm not able to like recall the whole name.
क्या कर रहा है?
brand name मैंने हिंट दिया था नहीं
लाइक पेप्सी, कोक वैसे.
हाँ वैसा एक ब्रांड का नाम है
Rio.
yes
Rio.
yes
Oh my
yes.
God. Oh my God.
Okay, so today was really fun. It felt amazing having you guys here. Thank you so much for joining in today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was fun. Thank you so much for having us, and we wish you and your entire team good luck for all the coming years. And yeah, thank you.